subbies, I'm here to share with you some tips for getting over a breakup. Before I do, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the awesome upcoming content that I have to share with you. I know breakups are horrible, but there are ways to get over them so they can be a thing of the past. The first tip I have for you is to start a new hobby. There is nothing more engaging and interesting than enjoying a brand new hobby there that you've always wanted to try. Now you can fully immerse yourself in it and learn with the wonderful world of YouTube to teach you how to do things that you've often wanted to learn but didn't have anyone there to teach you. YouTube solves that problem. The second suggestion I have is to do some music listening. There is music for any occasion, and you can even find some brand new wonderful music using wonderful free apps like Pandora. It is an amazing radio station. It really does learn from your thumbs up and thumbs down what you like to listen to, and you can discover new artists based on the ones that you tell it that you like listening to. It will play both the artists that you like listening to and show you some artists that are similar to those. It is a win-win. The third suggestion I have for you is to take up some writing. It is so much fun to be able to express yourself in the written word. There is nothing more enjoyable. Try poetry. Poetry is a lot of fun. A poet there that you can learn a lot from is Shel Silverstein. He is an amazing poet. Check out some of his books: Where the Sidewalk Ends, A Light in the Attic, Falling Up. There is so much inspiration that you can learn from reading others' works, that you can see what you like about their style and learn from that. You can also try writing a book. Writing books are a lot of fun there that you can get into and really lose yourself in the plot, the characters, the situations there that you develop for these characters. You can spend hours, days, months writing, because writing is a wonderful thing to do. The final tip that I have for you is to get dressed up. Have fun there with a brand new outfit. Do your hair differently and go out and have some fun. Go out and check out what's new and different around your town there. If they have any kinds of things going on within your community, that's a fun way to get to know people, to get out of the house. And you can also even check the wonderful, amazing app MEETUP. That is a wonderful app to be able to find things in your local area that can be free or no charge. Some meetup groups will ask for donations, which some they do require the donations, but some are completely optional. And that is a wonderful way to get to know events that are going on around you and find some events there that you've always wanted to try but you never knew existed, because the internet can be your best friend at times. I hope these tips and tricks will help you get over your breakup, because I love helping other people, and I couldn't have thought of a better way to be more helpful than sharing some wonderful tips and tricks than when it comes to getting over such a horrible event that happens to people. Comment down below what your favorite ways are to get over a breakup. I'd love to know. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications, and check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my MacBook Air. It makes filming so much fun because I can get to that excellent editing that much quicker. It is a very reliable computer. I love using it. And I love how it's an all-in-one. I can watch Netflix on there, I can listen to Pandora radio, and I can edit my YouTube videos all in one place. I also love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and fun because it is very durable to set up, it is very affordable, and it comes with an amazing carrying case that makes transporting it super easy, so you can always get that perfect shot. For vloggers on the go, it is a must-have. And I also have a link to my iPhone 6s. I love using my iPhone. It makes using the phone even more fun there because all of the apps are very responsive. It's now running the latest OS, which I am super glad to be able to be owning a phone there that's able to run the latest OS, which is a really nice thing, especially with the App Store having the requirement of phones being updated, or else some apps will not be able to be installed on the device. I hope that you check out my Amazon affiliate links down below, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Remember, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the awesome upcoming videos that I have to share with you. Until then, subbies, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, subbies!